In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log an email on Salesforce. Before you can track or log anything, you need to make sure you can reliably sign in. So I'll walk you through the login paths you'll commonly use, along with options you might see on the way. Follow along on your screen and pause as needed. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Login Salesforce. This is a quick way to get to the official login page without typing the full address. When the results load, look for the official Login var Salesforce result. Always make sure the link points to the genuine Salesforce domain before you click, as that keeps your account secure. On the Salesforce login page, you'll see the standard username and password fields. Click into the username field and enter your Salesforce username. Then click into the password field and enter your password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, and if your organization enforces multi-factor authentication, be ready to confirm using your usual method after you submit. When both fields are set, click the Login button to continue. If your credentials are correct, you'll move forward into your org or be prompted for a quick verification step. If you can't remember your password, you don't have to stop here. On the same screen, there's a Forgot Your Password link. Click that if you need a reset. Salesforce will guide you through entering your username and sending a reset link to the email associated with your account. Follow those prompts in your inbox and create a new password that meets your company's requirements. Some organizations don't use the default login page and instead rely on a custom domain, often called My Domain. If that applies to you, click Use Custom Domain. You'll be asked to enter your company-specific Salesforce domain to be routed to your branded login page. This is also common when your company uses single sign-on. If you're not sure what your custom domain is, check your internal documentation or ask your admin before proceeding. You may also see an option to log in with email. Click that if your login flow supports authenticating by selecting your email address rather than entering a username and password directly. On the welcome screen, click your email to proceed. Depending on your company's settings, you might be shown one or more required checkboxes. These could be acknowledgments like terms, privacy, or consent notices. Click the checkbox or checkboxes shown to confirm and continue. These are standard prompts that appear occasionally, and you'll need to accept them to move forward. If, for any reason, you need to switch back from the email-based flow, choose Login with Username to return to the traditional fields. That's helpful if your session picker isn't showing the right account or you're troubleshooting access. Once your selection is made and any confirmations are complete, click Continue to proceed into Salesforce. At this point, you're signed in and ready to work. With access established, you can now log emails to Salesforce using the method your team prefers, such as from within Salesforce when viewing a record or via your company's approved email integration. The exact approach varies by setup, but the key is that you're successfully authenticated and prepared to capture your communications against the right contacts, leads, or opportunities. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Bookmark the login page you actually use, either the standard login or your custom domain, so you don't have to search each time. If you use single sign-on, make sure you're logged into your identity provider first to avoid extra prompts. Keep your credentials secure, never share them, and watch for official domains whenever you sign in. And if something doesn't look right, stop and contact your admin for help. That's it. You've seen the standard login, how to reset a password, how to use a custom domain, how to log in with email, how to handle required checkboxes, how to switch back to username login, and how to continue into your org. With that, you're ready to log your emails confidently in Salesforce.